Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bach in Bach's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Peruvian dish, and it's going to have Aji Amarillo, which is a yellow hot pepper paste from Peru. We went to Machu Picchu the other year, and I learned how to make this dish. And since I would like to use, Goya's product, and this one is one of them. So let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is to make the chicken broth and also to boil the chicken. And I'm going to use my Instant Pot to make this to cut down on the time. Basically, you're going to cut up an onion, cut it into 8, and you put into the pot, the Instant Pot, and also a carrot and 2 cloves of garlic into the pot. And I have 2 legs, chicken quarter leg, and it's still frozen. I just put it into the pot. I'm going to put some salt in it and some pepper, and water. This is just me and my husband. I only use 1 chicken leg quarter because we don't eat that much, and I do not like to have leftover anymore. We're going to close this off, make sure that the vent is closed, and we're going to start it. To pressure cook the broth for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, what we're going to do is I'm going to prepare the other things for the chicken. So the broth is made. And what I'm going to do is I am going to get the chicken out of it. It's very soft. And then I'm going to strain the broth. So in the bowl of a blender, I have put in the bread, the milk, and the broth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it. Add in the Parmesan cheese. And the walnut. Blend it into smooth. So in a deep cast iron pan, I am going to heat up some Goya olive oil. Add the onions, minced onions and garlic to it. And cook until the onions are translucent. The onions and the garlic are ready, so that I'm going to add in now the shredded chicken meat that I took it off of the bone. Add some of the Aji Amarillo to the yellow hot pepper paste. This is quite spicy, so you need to add it to taste. Don't overdo it. Heat the chicken through. Add the bread mixture that you puree. Stir it and heat it through. Taste it to what you like. Add salt and pepper if you need to. Add extra Aji Amarillo if it's not spicy enough for you. And this thing a little bit too thick. So what you do is you add either the milk or more broth to the desired consistency. Add in some turmeric. Turmeric is really good for you. So, anytime that you get a chance to use turmeric, please do so a lot. It's good for your joint. It's good for anti-inflammatory. It's a heal-all. It's according to some people, it might help with preventing cancer. So that's, and you lower the heat and cook it through. So we're going to serve this dish, with the Goya yellow rice. It's a Spanish style. Just follow the direction in the back of the box to cook it. So that's what we're going to make. Goya yellow rice with chicken aji. The Peruvian chicken stew is done and ready to be served with the Spanish rice. To serve this, you got to put some of the Spanish rice, yellow rice, at the bottom of the serving plate. The chicken stew over the rice. Garnish with the Goya olive and some sliced hard-boiled egg. And for decoration, put a sprig of cilantro on the plate. Remember, you eat with your nose, your tongue, and your eyes. So dinner is served. So if you have enjoyed this episode of cooking, please subscribe down there. And also I will have a copy of the recipe in the direction. You can cut and paste into your favorite recipe cookbook. And I'll see you soon. Goodbye.